Hello there, what's up? My client and friend, in fact, he's more friend than a client, Khamis, is hosting an event. He's planning an event in a property. It's called Abu Dhabi Golden Property Show in Abu Dhabi. And this event is happening in like a few days. And he needs my help to do something about the registrations. He want to get more registrations, more people to come to the event here in Abu Dhabi, and I'm heading to his office right now to help him out with his marketing. By the way, the marketing in its core essence, is quite the same for any business. Whether you want to increase registrations for event, whether you want to get leads, whether you want to get prospects to buy your offers or to buy your products or services, in its essence, it's the same. And let me tell you how. You know, there is a marketplace, a place where there are potentially people who need your thing, or want your thing, or looking for your thing. That's a marketplace, right? And now you need to get portion of this marketplace to get in communication with you, to know about you, to know about your offers, to know about your products, your services, right? And know that you are a good fit to them. So this second step here, which is knowing about you, is called a personalized environment. Think about it like you are in a shopping mall. Not necessarily in the shopping mall, you are going to go to all the shops inside, right? You will go only to the shops that you have interest with, or you want to buy something from them, right? So the moment you step into a shop inside the shopping mall or a store, that means what? You are now a prospect. It's the same thing. There are a lot of people here who care about properties in the UAE, right? But not all of them are going to come to this event. Only those who know about the event, know about Khamis, and interested in what he's got, the kind of properties he's promoting, only those who know about this are going to purchase or going to come to the event. So when they come to the event here is a personalized environment. So in this event, they will explore the options, see what they can accomplish, what they can buy or rent or whatever the thing that they are pursuing. And if they found like a common agreement, or they have agreed with Khamis or with the event here, with the event guys, they are going to purchase, right? If not, well, not going to purchase. So as you see here, the second step here, which is the personalized environment, it's the step here where the magic happen, because this step determines if the sale is going to happen or not. Simple put, if the communication is poor, if the offer is not clear, if it is not done correctly, that is going to affect the sales big time. So it's not a matter of just getting registrations to the event that's going to make the event successful. No, it's as well what happens in the event determines if the entire campaign is successful or not. And believe it or not, getting registrations is really easy because it's online, right? You pay for advertising on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever the platform you're using, and simple, well, you get registrations, right? But to get sales, you need to make sure that the personalized environment, which is here the event in Khamis' case, is done correctly. Not just the production of the event I'm talking here about. Talking as well about how the properties will be presented, how good the offer is going to be, how good the communications and the value and like the proof of this is something cool and you're gonna love it. It depends on this thing here, the communication. So if the communication done right in the second phase, the third phase is just absolute. It's just gonna happen by default, right? Because why not? Like someone want to buy property, right? And they are looking for a property, and you have property. Why not you? Why not your property, right? This is a communication part here. All right. By the way, if you want to know more about these things here that we're talking about marketing, advertising, and how to turn your ads into profit, how to get customers through social media marketing, you need to go to learn11.com. There is a web page, and in there you will see a video presentation of me talking and explaining this concept. In fact, exploring it with more details, and you're gonna love it. It's gonna be valuable. I'm sure of that. See you in Khamis' office. Bye bye. So now we are about to get to Khamis' office and see what's the problem he's facing with his marketing. Why he's not getting enough registrations, and what is his plan to sell these units. All right, we'll get more into this now. السلام عليكم. صباح الخير. مرحب. مرحبا. كيف الحال؟ بالصحة شو الأخبار؟ الله يسلمك يا رب. Hi Janine, how are you doing? Hi, good morning. This is the team, and we're about to get to the plan. We'll tell you about it maybe later. Okay, so Khamis and his team are doing good job. I just finished the meeting with Khamis and came to Tim Hortons, my second favorite place after home. And I want to give you here a quick review of what's happening there with Khamis and his office. No, the project of Khamis is all about properties, and his plan is to invite people who are looking to buy properties, whether for investing or just housing, right? And he wanna show them a new project in Dubai and in Abu Dhabi, some cool places, all right? And hopefully to sell properties for those who are ready to buy. So what he did is he created a simple funnel, a registration funnel or a registration sequence. And this sequence is made of a registration page, so a page where the potential customers or people who are interested about this property show to register their information, register their interest, what type of properties they're interested in. And once they register, that's the first page. They go to a thank you page, which is a confirmation page, which is saying, hey, this is to confirm the registration, and here are some details about the event. Khamis went another step further, and his team another step further, and started getting the registrants even more customized information based on their preference. Because in the registration page, in the registration form, ask them about the type of properties they are interested in, like interested in a studio, in a 3-bedroom apartment, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, villa, all this stuff. I think six options. So if someone registered and said, all right, I'm interested in a 3-bedroom apartment, what happened is that all the communication that's going to be sent to this prospect or to this registrants are going to be related to 3-bedroom apartments, and we'll show them all the options about this property. So before they even make it to the event, before they come to the show, what's going to happen is that they will come to the show and they know exactly what to expect. You know, all the information about this property in the project that he's promoting. They know about the features, the benefits, the surroundings, all this stuff. So they are coming to the event with a kind of pre-made decision, like they already know what is waiting for them there. They already know the properties that's waiting for them, and this is really smart move by Khamis. So his marketing plan is doing good. I saw kind of like 20% conversion rate, so 20% of the visitors are who come to the registration page register and decide, okay, I want to come to the event, and I see it's good, the communication that's happening with the registrants and with the potential clients after they register. And I'm excited to see how the event is going to turn, how the sales part is going to happen inside the event. I'll be there, of course. I'll shoot some videos for you, and I wish him the good luck. So, by the way, if you want help in your marketing, if you want to learn how to get your marketing right, go to learn11.com. There is a class in there. It's a free video presentation. In that video presentation, I explain the concept of market, the real concept of market, which is how business work, how sales happen, the 3 steps that any business, any product, or any service should go through in order to get a customer. And that's hosted on this website, learn11.com. Just go to learn11.com, learn11.com numerical, and see what you can accomplish in there. All right, thank you very much for watching this documentation vlog, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.